Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on OPPO A38. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now to change your Google search engine to a custom one you have to start with opening your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now you can click here on the three dots icon, scroll down and go to settings. Now click on search engine option. And in recently visited you should have now yep.com option available, and you can click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.